The Tundra features coil springs out back that make it ride and drive much better than most. Plus, it can still tow up to 12,000 pounds and comes standard with a suite of driver assists. Unlike its domestic rivals, the Tundra isn't available with a V8. Gasp! The lone engine option is a twin-turbo V6, but it's available with a hybrid system that's good for 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. With a cabin that's considerably prettier than its predecessor and an infotainment system that offers a 14-inch touchscreen, there are numerous reasons the 2022 Tundra has the goods to take on the Americans. Toyota gives the Tundra a much-needed, total redesign after the previous generation went largely unchanged since its debut in 2007. The 2022 Tundra has a higher starting price than its domestic rivals. However, the Toyota's entry-level SR trim has more desirable standard features, including a 379 horsepower twin-turbo V6 and a coil spring rear suspension. We think the one to get is the SR5 with the TRD off-road package that brings an electronically locking rear differential, unique wheels, upgraded suspension, and other additions. Inside, the Tundra has a chunky dashboard that's dotted with prominent air vents and a thick, smooth center section that connects the door panels. The materials used on the center console, dash, and doors are much nicer than what was used in the previous generation. Of course, the quality also increases with the trim levels, with the top-of-the-line 1794 edition sporting attractive wood accents. All models have a versatile center console with lots of cubby storage and a huge center bin. While a pair of analog gauges and a small driver information display are the standard instrument panel, the top trim levels have a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. The Tundra comes in two body styles with 3 different cargo bed lengths.